Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be making a stress ball out of a balloon. So let's get started. So let's get right into it. But first I'm going to take a big chunk of Mama Magic out of this bag. A huge chunk, like this. And then take a balloon, use scissors, and cut off the top, like that. I already did this but yeah, okay. Let me give you a second to do that. Okay. I think you should have done it by now. And this next part is you're going to take the extra part of the balloon, which should look like something like this with a band at the end. You could cut that band off. It will look something different than this, but I didn't. I lost the band that I cut. The band thingy that I cut off. So I'm just gonna use this part of it. I just cut it off the balloon. After, if you lose the band thingy, you could just take the extra part that you have and cut it in half, and then you get extras. Okay, and also if you want to make more. Okay, so now you hold this. Now that you've done that, you can stick your fingers in the balloon like that and open it like that. And then you can put once you've done that, you can put the clay inside of the balloon. And then you just take some time to put. It takes a little bit to get all of it in if you have a lot, but if you only put a little bit in, it'll have a lot of air, but you could do it either way. Okay. Now that you have hopefully completed putting your thing together, you're going to take this piece from earlier, stretch it like this, and pull this and wrap it around like so. Just like so. Like this. Okay. And then you can draw on yours however you like. I did a smiley face since there's not much to add on to a stress ball. I like the white balloon the best because you can see the color that you put in from the outside when you're done. You squish it. You can kind of see it. It's blue. Compared to the white, it's a different color. Person is a really different color. Okay. On to the second type of stress balls. For the second type of stress balls, you will be needing a pair of scissors, which I have right here, and two balloons of I prefer different colors. I'm going to use red and orange, but you could use any colors you like. It's just red and orange because it's the first two balloons I pulled out of the pack. You will not need any clay for this. You will just need to blow into the balloons. Well, first, pick the balloon that you want on the inside and outside. Okay. Once you have chosen, you take the balloon that you want on the outside. For me, it's red. And then you cut little holes into it, like that kind of, so that it kind of like sticks, so that the balloon has somewhere to pop out of. You just continue to do that until you have a few holes and you think you're ready to go on. And you think you're ready to go on to the next step, which I'm going to be showing right now. Next step. Put the inside balloon, inside of the other balloon. If you want, you can use some of the holes to help you get it in. It's the easiest way. And then you can just put the balloon inside however way you want. It's easy to use the holes when it pops out and push it back in. Okay. Once you have it looking something like this, where there's a bunch of holes with the color on the inside and the color on the outside, you take the color that's on the inside thing where you blow up, and then blow it up like this. Or, you probably know how to blow up a balloon. I'll give you a second to do it while I'm doing it. So yeah. Not very big, just a little bit like that. Sorry, I just had to re-blow it up because it lost its air when I did it the first time. It lost all the air when I did it the first time, is what I meant to say. Okay. And then you have a little stress ball. Sounds like it's gonna pop, but it's not. Okay. You can make as many of those as you want, and so far we have these, and these are the 2 stress balls that we have made. Well, thank you all for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe. Like and subscribe to my channel if you enjoyed the video. And leave a big thumbs up, and see you next time. Bye.